Alright, hey everybody, this is Neil here again. In this video, what I'm going to show you is how to customize your instant video agency theme, okay? So by this point, you should have already installed WordPress, installed the theme, installed the plugins that come along with the theme, and then also done your one-click installation to get the demo set up. And at this point, your site should be looking just like the demo site, okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through here and I'm going to show you all the different options of what you can do to customize this, okay? So this is the general settings. You can go from full width to a box width. I prefer the full width. You can change your favicon, which is the little icon there in the tab. You can change your logo, upload your logo here. And then once you upload your logo, what I recommend that you do, okay, is you go over here. I use a Firefox extension, called Firezilla or Colorzilla, so what you want to do is you want to just pick the color picker active from the page. And then you can go over here and you can select your color. It'll save it. It'll copy that for you. And then you can go back over here. You can select the color. You can just put it right in here, and it'll change the color of the website. And it'll essentially change all of the, these icon colors, the header color, the text, and so forth, right? So that's pretty much it on that. And let me just close that out because it's messing with it. All right. So then that's how you change your color, your logo. You can turn the header menu on or off and the preloader settings on or off, okay? From there, you want to customize the home page. This is kind of the main one you're going to want to customize first. And so the way this works is you can drag and drop any modules you don't want. You just drop them over here into the disabled. And by modules, we just mean different sections on the home page. So this is the About Us. This is the next one, the banner section, the portfolio, and so forth, right? And so if you don't want any of those, you can just drag and drop them over there. And you can also drag and drop to reorder them, okay? And so a lot of these sections are really similar. You can change out the image. You can turn the overlay on or off, right? You can change out the overlay image. You can upload that obviously there. You can change the text, and it's very easy to see, where this text matches, right? We specialize in doing this, so forth, right? All right, this is, we make stunning videos. Right, this is right here at the top for the banner section. And then you can obviously just continue to see where this text is and then make the appropriate edits over here, okay? If you want to change this to a video background, you can upload a video to your WordPress, and then you just want to select the proper video type. You can link the video, if you want as well. You can put the link in there. You can make it autoplay or not autoplay. This is the About section, so if you want to change any of this, these are all very easy. You can either remove this icon, you can add an icon, so you can, and this is for all these different sections. You want to pick a different icon, you just go in here, pick the different icon, and then make sure you save, when you're done, okay? And you can easily remove these sections if you don't want them as well, okay? So just go here and remove. And then you can always add more if you like as well, okay? So that's how all that works. For the achievement section, so that's the About Us, what I was just showing you there. And this is the achievement section, where you can change, the numbers of things. Here's all the different stuff right here. You can change the amount of items, title it, whatever you want, and obviously change out and set up a different icon, okay? So then that's how that goes. These are the videos, if you have any videos to go here. So this is right here, oh, I'm on the wrong site here, sorry. Right here you can have 3 different videos, okay? So this is where you change out those 3 different, going the wrong direction here. This is where you change out those 3 different videos, okay? And you can also add more if you want. Now moving on to the portfolio section. Same thing, you can show what, the different, just show your most recent posts. I'll talk more about how you do the portfolio section in a second. Essentially all you have to do is go over here. You can see, here actually I'll just show you right now. So if you can go here, you can see all the ones that are existing in here now, and then you can just edit them simply by going like that, and you can go in here, change out all this information, this text, add your own videos, really just kind of customize that to make it look however you want, and then those posts will show up here on the homepage based on the number of posts that you put. So you have all your posts there, and then the number of posts that you put in here, right here in this section, will dictate how many show up here on the homepage, okay? Then you've got your call to action section, which is this right here. Let's get started. And this will pop up your lead gen form, okay? And I'll talk more about what you need to do for the lead gen form in just a second. But anyway, so that's where your call to action section. Again, these are very similar. So you can change the image, you can change the overlay, turn it on or off, change the text, change the title of the button. You can change where the button links to, if you want it to go to an opt-in form or not, and if you want it to go to a contact form or not, right? So what you need to do with this, once your contact form 7 is installed, is go over here, and you can also do your own custom. I'll show you how to do that in a second. If you want to use like Aweber or GetResponse or whatever. But what you want to do is you want to go over here, you want to create a contact form, okay, and title it whatever you want, and then you want to edit the information, you know, to match what you're saying. So where you want it to be sent, you know, what the title is, the subject, all that type of stuff. So you want to fill this out. You could also go to YouTube and Google contact form 7, and there's lots of tutorials about how to use this particularly. Ultimately, what you want to do is just create a contact form, and then once you do that, you can go ahead from here, select whatever you created over here will automatically show up here. Just select the one that you want to use, and that's where the information will go. Okay. Alright, so then back to here, best quality, 24/7 support. So you can see what these are. These are just features, right? And again, this is all the same. Okay. Same thing here for how we do it. Go here, you can edit this, you can change out the images, you can turn off the overlay again, you can edit the text information, and then you can edit the actual boxes there. Okay. Same thing, you can always add more. Same for the testimonial section, almost identical. Okay. You just go in here, you can change out the text, you can update these boxes right here, change out the information and the picture and so forth. Same with the social section. You're starting to see a theme here, I'm sure, at this point. Okay. So these are all your different sections. They're very similar. You can either change out the images, turn on and off the overlay, and then edit the sections. Okay, so I'm not going to sit here and do that for each one. As you can see, these are really, really similar. Okay, so these are the logos here at the very bottom. If you go down here to the bottom, where you have your logos, so that's where you would change that out. And again, this is all really similar. Just change it out, add a different image. Okay, and for the contact section, same thing. You know, really straightforward. Okay, you can edit all the information, select the different contact form that you want to use, choose whether or not to display the footer, and that's pretty much it on the homepage. Okay, so we've already talked about the portfolio. We've already talked about the contact form. So really, from this point on, I just want to show you kind of how to customize the rest of the theme. It's very similar. It follows a very similar pattern. Okay, so you want to go here again. This is your services page. So if you want to remove any of this stuff, so we'll go here to the services page, and you don't want it there, you can change that stuff out. So all you have to do is edit the breadcrumb image. This breadcrumb image is what you see right here at the top. So if you want to change that, you can change that. Edit the services information, details, you know, all the different text that you're seeing on this page, and you can actually edit the different features here, right? If you want to, so you can see this is all here, very similar. Okay. And the process, again, you can edit all that stuff there. And then the pricing section, you can edit that stuff there. Okay, so this is how you edit the tables. So table 1, you know, would be right here, and you change out this information throughout this. And this is a list of your features, right? That shows up, you know, down here. Okay, so very straightforward there. And again, this is where you want to link the button. So you have your buy button, your order now, and just edit out this information to match your stuff. Okay. Really straightforward as far as all that goes. Then we've also got the social thing here at the bottom again, and the contact us. Okay, and you can change all that out very easily, and just like you would on the home page. Okay, so all these pages really follow a similar pattern, and that's essentially how you customize the theme. It's actually really easy to use. Same with the portfolio. Since you're actually handling the portfolio over here, there's very little that you have to do here, except for just change out the overlay images, the titles, the single page breadcrumb, the description, you know, of your portfolio section, you know, your background images for your contact stuff. It's all really straightforward. Okay, but once you create the post over here, everything will be able to populate in your portfolio section. Okay, same thing with the about us. You can change out the different things that you want here, add or remove. It's very, very similar. Same with the blog. If you want to change any way the blog looks, you can see these features. It's very easy. Just find it, match the text, and edit it. That's all you have to do. Okay, so that's really it. You know, the contact us is very similar. So like I said, there's no reason to really go over these pages. The whole thing works in the same way. If you want the map to show your proper location, make sure you put your Google Maps API key, latitude, longitude, and choose your zoom level there. And then here for your contact form section, again, same thing. You just want to set up the contact form, okay? If you wanted to add your own custom contact form at any point where it shows choosing the contact form, just select custom, and then you can just paste your JavaScript that you get from your autoresponder right there, okay? So that's everything on that. Same for the shopping page. So you're going to see the products and the contact us, and in here you can go ahead and you can change that out. You can change out the text, your information there as well. We'll have another video explaining in more detail how to set up the shopping page. Okay, these are all really straightforward. Again, you've got your footer. And this is all the same thing. Change this stuff out, disable whatever you don't want, and then customize it. Okay. So really that's it. Like I said, we made this really easy to customize. All you have to do is kind of add your logo, change out the content. You're free to remove any sections that you don't want. Make sure you upload your portfolio information, your contact form, and set up your shop, and you're good to go. Okay. So if you have any questions, feel free to contact our support. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.